This is Mercury Control. All systems are reported in a go condition. John Glenn reports he is ready. This is Mercury Control.
Missile arm, 1 minute 15 seconds. Missile power, go. RF systems, go. Propulsion, go. AMR telemetry, go. Telemetry quality, go. Mercury capsule, go. Minus 60 seconds. Hailing to internal. Orbital arm. Minus 55. Minus 50. Minus 45. Minus 40. Status check, pressurization. Go. Locks tanking. Have a blinking high level light. You are go. Water systems. Go. Range operations. Clear to launch. Mercury capsule. Go. All pre-start panel lights are correct. The ready light is on. Eject Mercury umbilical. Oil evacuate. Mercury umbilical clear. Mercury evacuate. Lights on. All recorders too fast. T-minus 18 seconds and counting engine start.
May the wee ones be with you, Thomas.
Good Lord, ride all the way. Amen.
T-minus 10 seconds. Counting. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
3, 2, 1, 0.
Liftoff. The clock is operating. We're underway.
Roger, reading you loud and clear.
Roger, we're programming it roll okay. A little bumpy along about here.
Stand by for 20 seconds.
Roger.
3, 2, 1, mark.
Roger, backup clock is started. Fuel 102, 101, oxygen 78, 100, amps 27.
Roger, loud and clear. Flight path is good. 6-9.
Roger, check's okay. Mine was 7-0 on your mark. There's some vibration area coming up here now.
Roger, reading you loud and clear, John.
It's coming into IQ a little bit. That little contrail went by the window or something there. Fuel 102, 101, oxygen 78 to 101, amps 24, still okay. We're smoothing out some now, getting out of the vibration area.
Roger, you're through max Q. Flight path is very good. Pitch 4-3.
Flight very smooth now.
Roger, flight path is good.
They're building to 6.
Roger, reading you loud and clear. Flight path looks good. Pitch 25. Stand by for staging.
Roger, Pico. Pico. Let's see the tower go. I saw the smoke go by the window.
Roger, we confirm staging on TM.
There the tower went right then. Have the tower in sight, way out.
Oh, Roger, we confirm on TM.
Edison Tower is green. 1.5 Gs.
Roger, 7 still reading you loud and clear. Flight path looks good.
Auto retro jettison is off. Emergency retro jettison fuse switch off. Or retro jettison fuse switch off. DF2 normal.
Flight path looks good. Steering is good.
Roger, understand everything looks good. He's starting to build again a little bit.
Oh, Roger, reading you loud and clear. 7. Cape is go. We're standing by for you.
Roger, Cape is go and I am go. Our capsule is in good shape.
Roger, 20 seconds to SECO. Flight path looks very good. 10 seconds. Flight path still looks good.
SECO. Lots of grates fired. Okay. 0 G and I feel fine. Capsule is turning around. Oh, that view is tremendous. Capsule turning around, and I could see the booster during turnaround just a couple of 100 yards behind me. It was beautiful.
Roger, 7. You have a go. At least 7 orbits.
Roger. Understand go for at least 7 orbits. This is Friendship 7. Can see clear back a big cloud pattern way back across toward the Cape. Beautiful sight.
Roger, still reading you loud and clear. Next transmission, Bermuda.
Bermuda reports that it has acquired telemetry signals from the spacecraft. John Glenn reports everything looks good. This is Mercury Control. Our tracking station located at Mouchet, Australia, reported contact with this Friendship 7 spacecraft at 40 after the hour, that is 10:40. Astronaut John Glenn is now in voice contact with astronaut Gordon Cooper, who is the capsule communicator at Mouchet.
Hello, Mouchet Contact. This is Friendship 7, reading you loud and clear. Help me. Roger, Friendship 7, Mouchet, cap call. Help me, over. Roger, how you doing, Gordo? We're doing real fine up here. Everything is going very well, over. Very good, John. You sound good. Roger, shortly you may observe some lights down there. You want to take a check on them out to your right, over? Roger, I'm all set to see if I can't get them in sight. That was sure a short day. Say again, Friendship 7? That was about the shortest day I've ever run into. Time passes rapidly. Yes, sir. Roger, I do have a lights in sight on the ground, over. Roger, I understand you. Just off to your right there? That's affirmative. Just to my right, I can see a big pattern of lights, apparently right on the coast. I can see the outline of the town and a very bright light just to the south of it. Roger, that is Perth and Rockingham, you're saying that. Roger, the lights show up very well. And thank everybody for turning them on, please. Roger, sure will, John. Very fine.
7, this is Capcom.
Roger, this is Friendship 7. Only really unusual thing so far beside ASCS trouble were the little particles, luminous particles around the capsule, just thousands of them, right at sunrise over the Pacific, over.
Roger, 7, we have all that. Looks like you're in good shape. Remain on fly-by-wire for the moment.
Roger, Friendship 7.
Roger, this is Mercury Control. The Friendship 7 spacecraft is proceeding in its orbital flight around the Earth. It's in its second orbit around the Earth at this time. As of 51 minutes after the hour, that's 11:51 Eastern Standard Time, our tracking station in Zanzibar reported contact with the spacecraft. This is Mercury Control. Our tracking station on Canton Island reports contact with the Friendship 7 spacecraft at 12:31 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And our station on Hawaii reports contact at 12:39 Eastern Standard Time. We are continuing to analyze the difficulties with the attitude control system. The fact that the pilot is aboard and has the ability to analyze his problem and take judgmental corrective action is a demonstration of the value of man in space flight. This is Mercury Control. The tracking station located at Point Arguello, California, made contact with the spacecraft at 12:46 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Astronaut John Glenn is in voice contact with astronaut Wally M. Schirra, the Capcom at the Point Arguello station. And we have made the decision at this time to go for the third orbit. This is Mercury Control. Our Atlantic tracking ship made contact with the Friendship 7 spacecraft at 1:12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is Mercury Control. The tracking station on Hawaii contacted the Friendship 7 spacecraft at 2:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. As we proceeded around from Australia toward Hawaii, we detected an indication of a problem with the heat shield deployment switch. A check was made over Hawaii, which confirmed that the system was operating properly and that the signal apparently was erroneous. He is also completing now his retro-firing checklist. And this is a process by which he makes sure that all of his onboard equipment is secured, that he has checked out his attitude control system, that he is in good condition and preparing to fire those retro rockets to begin that long landing flight toward the Atlantic. This is Mercury Control.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mark so far. Roger. Retros are firing.
Oh, roger, baby.
DC contact at 09. Feels like I'm going back toward Hawaii.
Don't do that. You want to go on the East Coast.
Retro light is green.
Roger, we got all three here.
I'll tell you, there's no doubt about it when the retros fire.
This is Texas Capcom Fraction 7. We are recommending that you leave the retro package on through the entire re-entry. This means that you will have to override the 05G switch, which is expected to occur at 044353. This also means that you will have to manually retract the scope. Do you read?
This is Friendship 7. What is the reason for this? Do you have any reason over?
Not at this time. This is the judgment of Cape Flight. We are recommending that the retro package not, I say again, not be jettisoned.
Roger, understand. I will have to make a manual 05G entry when it occurs and bring the scope in manually.
7, this is Cape. The weather in the recovery area is excellent. 3-foot waves, only 1/10 cloud coverage, 10 miles visibility.
Roger, Friendship 7.
Friendship 7, this is Cape. Do you read? 7, this is Cape. Do you read? Over. Friendship 7, this is Cape. Do you read? Over. Friendship 7, this is Cape. How do you read? Over.
Loud and clear. How many?
Roger, reading you loud and clear. How you doing?
Pretty good.
Roger, your impact point is within 1 mile of the uprange destroyer. 7, this is Cape. What's your general condition? You doing pretty well?
My condition is good, but that was a real fireball, boy. I had great chunks of that retro pack breaking off all the way through.
Very good. It did break off. Is that correct?
The altimeter off the pack indicated 80,000.
This is Mercury Control. The spacecraft Friendship 7 is on the deck. It was set on the deck at 4 minutes after 3 Eastern Standard Time this afternoon. Astronaut John Glenn reports, "My condition is excellent." He is in continuous contact with the people on the ship. Radio reports from the USS NOAA indicate the hatch is now blown clear. U.S. astronaut John Glenn is on the deck of the USS NOAA, is reported to be a hale and hearty astronaut after his history-making flight. And this is Mercury Control.